In the previous episode, we explored the concept of an IR remote and discovered how to integrate it into our projects. We built a simple circuit to receive infrared light signals and use those signals to control some LEDs. In this video, we are going to use the same logic to control the different colors of a RGB LED. So without waiting, let's begin. Since this video is going to be a short one, I'll not explain how to receive the IR signals, but if you want to learn how to do so, you can check the previous video on this series. To make this project, you need a RGB LED, 3 220 ohm resistor, and some jumper wires. Now let's start assembling our circuit. For controlling the three essential colors of the LED, you need to use 3 PWM pins of Arduino. After choosing the pins that you want to use, connect your resistors, one for each leg of the RGB LED, and then connect your wires to it.
Got the kick.
After finishing this step, now we can jump into the coding part. We are going to use the old code that we wrote to choose the colors of LEDs. For a detailed explanation, feel free to check out our video on RGB LEDs. Now all we need to do is to make some modification to our code. First of all, we need to make 3 int variables for our 3 pins that we have, which are red, green, and blue. Next, what we need to do is to choose which buttons we are going to use and get their specific signals. For this project, I'll use the buttons 1 through 7 to control 7 different colors and also 0 to turn off my LED. After getting the relevant signal values, now it's time to decide which button is for which color. Also, don't forget to define the pins as output in the setup method. Now you can compare the signal values that you got before, and if they match with the button that is pressed, you turn on that color. Do the same steps and add as many colors as you like.
Got the kick.
After adding all the colors that we need, now we can run our code and see the result. You'll notice that pressing different buttons results in different colors lighting up, and if I press 0, the LED turns off. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe for more content like this.